Well, sorry JP, not good. So we had a little crank issue there. Tried to put the chain on the go-kart and well, it just snapped off. And no, the chain wasn't too tight. Literally, it just came off of it. Yeah, it wasn't too tight. I'm guessing fatigue. I'm guessing you already had a crack. I don't know. If you had this happen, let me know. Cause yeah, not good. So I'm gonna take the case off and get the crank out. That's all we can do. So luckily, so I have all the bolts out of the case. Now I just have to take it off. So just got the case off. It looks pretty good in here. It's dirty, a little dirt in there. But that's the cam, crankshaft, piston. That's like it's not the oil pump, but it's what gets the oil everywhere, lubricates stuff. The oil, I already drained the oil out of this, but it looks pretty dirty. So definitely need an oil change, but obviously that's not what broke in the crankshaft. Yeah, so I'm just gonna clean it up, get the cam out. I may take the rod off. I'm hoping that I can, I don't know, I'm hoping I can do this. I'm hoping I can just take the rod off, slide it up to get the crank out. I don't know, I hope. If I can't, I'll take the head off, but that's my plan at least.
Loving myself makes me wanna sing, oh yeah, 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 yeah. Told me get my together, now I got my together, yeah. Now I made it through the weather, better days are gonna get better. I'm so sorry that it didn't work out. I'm moving on, I'm so sorry, but it's over now. The pain is gone. I'm putting on my shades to cover up my eyes. I'm jumping in my ride, I'm heading out tonight. I'm solo, I'm riding solo, I'm riding solo, I'm riding solo, solo. I'm feeling like a star, you can't stop my shine. I'm loving cloud nine, my head's in the sky. I'm solo, I'm riding solo, I'm riding solo, I'm riding solo, solo. Riding solo, solo, I'm riding solo, 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 solo. It's like S-S-O-L-O, S-S-O-L-O, S-S-O-L-O. I'm living my life, ain't got stress no more. I'm putting on my shades to cover up my eyes. I'm jumping in my ride, I'm heading out tonight. I'm solo, I'm riding solo, I'm riding solo, I'm riding solo, solo. I'm feeling like a star, you can't stop my shine. I'm loving cloud nine, my head's in the sky. I'm solo, I'm riding solo, I'm riding solo, I'm riding solo, solo. I'm riding solo, I'm riding solo, solo. I'm riding solo, solo. I'm riding solo, solo.
So, got the crank out. Yep, I don't know if you saw my label on my parts there, they're all there. I know I didn't need to label half of them, like obviously, you know, it's the cam, obviously it's the piston. But I don't know, just did it, make it nice. Yeah, crank. Big time broke. Yeah, wasn't too bad. The cylinder looks good. You can see the good cross honing in it. Still has that. Yeah, it all looks pretty good really. Both of these, that bearing and both the bearing on the case, whatever cover over there, looks good. Yeah. So now I just gotta order a new crank. And you see that? I hope you see that. That's a little heat. Where it's different colors. There, you can kind of see it. I don't know why it's like that. I'm gonna guess it's a lack of oil is why, but I'm surprised it did it here and not on here. Well, I don't know, I guess it could have done it here and then not and got worn off, but that kind of surprised me. It was like that. Normally when you see that, that's not good. It means it's blown up or seized or something. So we're gonna definitely make sure it has oil in it, because seeing that kind of scares me. But like, we're putting a new crank in. Yeah, gotta order one.